Hi, it's David Phelps with Freedom Founders here. One of the lessons that took me some time to learn and really to accept was the fact that as a small business owner, as a professional practice owner, as a dentist, that my chief objective needed to be marketing my dental services. I'll say it again, my chief objective needed to be marketing my dental services. That's not how we were trained. That's not how we first entered our practice arena. And that's not how most dentists or even any small business owner really performs today. Most of us, and I'll just relate back to dentistry, but again, it's for any small business owner, most of us learn a craft. We have education behind us. We become licensed, certified in what we do, and we focus on doing that thing we do. Again, in dentistry, we perform the services. We are the doctor. We diagnose, we treat, and we also have to run the business. Now, that's difficult to do, and it's more difficult today than it ever was before. Decades ago, one could enter a professional practice arena in any healthcare field and do relatively well without really much of any business training or background. Today, it's all big business. Big business. Wall Street's entered the arena. Insurance is really marginalizing practice because of the way healthcare is running. No longer can one just solely focus on their craft, their expertise. Yes, that's a piece of the puzzle. It is important, no doubt. But focusing there, putting primary focus there without realizing that the business aspects and as I said earlier, the ability to market and differentiate oneself is so key today. Yet so few understand that and so few even know how to begin to do it. My point here on this video is not to teach you how to do that. It's to just make the point that if you're not focusing at least 50% of your efforts as the business owner, as the primary practitioner in your practice, if you're not focusing on the marketing aspects, you're going to have a tough time. You could be the best kept secret in town with all your skill set, all your experience, your desire to provide the best care. But if nobody knows about you, you're fighting an uphill battle, and that's why so many are stuck today dealing with PPO, managed care insurance, relying on that to provide them the patient flow. That's a no-win proposition. You've got to get off of that treadmill as quickly as possible. Learn how to market. It takes effort. It takes resolve. You can do it, but you've got to be intentional about it. That's my tip for today. Remember, always stay focused on your freedom. See you next time.